I'll be sharing with you steps on how to avail the discount in the Foodpanda app. This discount code, by the way, is only for new users. So you need to create a new account and only in selected restaurants. I've already created my new account. I'm already in the Foodpanda app, so I'll show you how to do it. Set your current location and then go to the delivery section. Type in what you're craving for. So today I'm craving for milk tea, cha time. I'm craving for cha time. So I'm going to select cha time. Just gonna click that, select order. By the way guys, you have to order at least a minimum of 199 pesos for you to be able to successfully use the discount code. Once you have finalized your order, go to your cart, scroll down and see the do you have voucher link. Just click that one and type in 𝘊𝘕𝘣𝘐. This discount code, by the way, is only until July 31, 2020, so make sure that you avail this promo. So just click apply after typing 𝘊𝘕𝘣𝘐 and there you have it! Minus 100 pesos off on my total order. From 255, it's only 155 for 2 large milk tea. Amazing! Yay! Update! The driver is on his way. I am so excited.
So wear a mask. Don't forget to wear a mask when you go outside. So I already have my payment here. I'll just place it here so that the driver will just place the order here. So it's contactless. So I'm waiting for the driver to arrive. Kuya, ingat! One shot of milk tea for my sister and one for milk tea for myself.
Hey, craving finally satisfied. Download the Foodpanda app and use the discount code 𝘊𝘕𝘣𝘐. That's 𝘊𝘕𝘣𝘐 for 100 pesos off on your total order. Only in selected restaurants and only available in Cebu City, Talisay City, and Mandawi City.